Good morning, sunshines. Good morning. Today is Saturday. It is 8:45 and I am up. I've been up and I got a lot to do today. I gotta go to the post office. I gotta go to the bank, and I got other things that I need to do that I can't think of right now because I'm hella tired. And right now I'm about to eat. I want a Red Baron pizza. That has been my go-to. The Red Baron pizza. I'm talking fast, huh? But yeah. I cannot find my black fuzzy jacket, and I want to get a little cute, but because y'all know I can't, well, I don't know if y'all know, but I can't fit any regular jeans or bottoms, so I wear a lot of sweats. You know, party at the top, comfort at the bottom, I guess. I don't know, I just want to feel cute. So I'm not feeling too great, but God is still good. I'm thinking positive, and I'm being positive. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm about to eat because I am hungry. I had coffee, but I didn't drink it all. I drank like maybe 5, 6, 7 sips, and I'm over it. So yeah. Oh, I gotta take pictures of, okay, nobody cares. I gotta take pictures of my lash applicators. I ordered 10 and they only sent me 9, and I do not play about stuff like that because I feel like if I pay for something, then I should get it. Everything that I paid for, but whatever. So I need to take pictures of those and post them up on the Miss Renee's Fault page so they could be available, you know. And I purchased a vendor list, so I want to look through that today and see if I can find a good hair vendor. Yeah, I want to do that sometime today. I gotta take my baby to get a haircut, because Lord knows that boy need a haircut. He did not like his haircut. Like, he would sit there with his hand like this, because every time I say, oh, it's time to get a haircut, he like, oh, can you just take like the sides and the back off but keep the top? So when he getting his haircut, he sit like this, like to prevent them from cutting the top. But when he makes me upset, I get it all cut off. Not bald, but all his hair coming off. You ain't keeping the top either. You getting a straight fade. But yeah, we played Fortnite Monopoly last night. Oh my god. It was me, Mason, and his cousins, the little cousins. That was, yeah. Y'all know Monopoly. Monopoly is a long game anyway. And that game is hard. Like, I don't know what I was doing. Like, when we started, we was just going. I was just like, let me just read these directions. So I had to read the directions, and I don't know, we made the best of it. Y'all, I found my cash card for my Cash App. But the thing is, this is the one that I ordered, and then when I got it, I lost it the same day, so I reordered another one. So I have 2 cash cards, and then I just made a new Cash App, so neither one of these cash cards are relevant. Yeah, it was under my seat in my car. So yeah, I'm always losing stuff. I lost like 4, 5, 6 cards in a row, like within a month. I know they was like, you know what, the next time she lose a card, we gonna charge her. But yeah, I have 2 packages to send off today, and a couple of letters. Whoa. I don't know if I'm actually, one for sure package is getting sent off. I don't know if the other one, if she wants to pick it up or what, because she was supposed to pick it up like last week or something. But I'm gonna just see if she want me to mail it off, since I'm gonna be there. I got like 9 letters to mail off. 9 letters. 9. And I still gotta make copies of something before I mail those off. So yeah, today's gonna be a crazy day. I have to pay my phone bill, my car note, the sitter. I think that's it. I think. I don't know. But yeah, I gotta do all of that today. We got our little kit. Y'all know y'all can get a free USPS kit from the post office. And it comes with like boxes and stuff. So that came yesterday. We got our scale. We just need to go get a label printer. Which I don't think we're going to get anytime soon because we got label paper and we could just use that on a regular printer. So we're going to do that once we set that up or whatever. And I just ordered 3 packs of 10 of the post office flat rate envelopes. I hope those are the right ones. I don't know. Post office is so freaking difficult. Like, you'll get there to send off a package, right? And they don't have the stuff that you need outside. So when you, not outside, but like on the customer side. So then when you get up to the window, they're like, oh, this isn't the right one. Here's the right one, but you got to step out of line. Why would y'all not have everything out so that we're able to have everything done? So by the time we get to your window, you can just process it and keep it moving. Like, that makes no sense to me whatsoever. Like, none. So yeah, I don't like the post office, especially the one we went to on Crenshaw and Imperial. Don't go to that one. The one that's in there with DD's and Planet Fitness, don't go to that one. Oh, I want to buy me a purse now. I need a new purse. But yeah, don't go to that one because that one sucks. And it was one person it was one person working and the line was out the door. And it's just like, I gotta do better. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat. And I will see y'all later. I'm not gonna say I might. I will. Yeah, see y'all later. Alright guys, we are at our second stop. Actually, I was gonna say first, but we're at the second one. The first stop was my dad's house. And this, well, actually the third stop. I went to the bank already. And then I went to my dad's house. And now I am dropping off a package to one of our customers. I'm just waiting for her to message me back because I don't know where she at. But yeah. And people cannot drive today. I don't know if I'm not in a rush. I know I'm not. Like, I'm not moving too fast. But people are not driving right. Like, I don't understand. So yeah, it's hot. I need a drink. Not a drink, but like a beverage. I'm thirsty. And I still gotta go to the post office. And my day hasn't even, like, it started, but it's just like I'm tired already. I like running errands, but I need things to like stay flowing. You get what I'm saying? Like, I don't like the pauses in between. And I need to find my rings. I don't know where my rings at. And that's not good because that's real gold. That's real gold. And I can't be losing real gold. Gum. Yeah, I don't know where my ring's at. I don't know if she work here or what. But Oh, I made my copies. My dad's copy of work. Because it didn't work. Well, his printer didn't work. And he said he got new ink. So I was like, let me see if his copy will work at least. Thank God it worked. Because y'all know making copies other places be expensive now. It'd be like $3. $3 for the first page and $1 for additional pages. Look. Now, I really want to find my rings now. What could they be? Where could they be? He hopped off the curb. I don't know. That's my Rolex ring. Y'all know I love my Rolex ring. I don't know where it's at. My bad. It stopped recording for some reason. I don't know. Maybe I hit a button. But I did bring a drink. Why did it stop recording? Let me turn that remote off. Oh, I didn't turn this off. But yeah, I'm just waiting for her to respond. And I'm hot. And I need to find my rings and stuff. But stop number 3 out of what, 4, 5? I could be writing the addresses on these papers while I wait. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Just write out these addresses while I wait and put that back there. Yeah, y'all, so that's all I'm doing. I'm just waiting. I'm tired of waiting. But oh my God. Alright. But I will see y'all in a minute. After. Hopefully she comes out in the next minute or two. Or at least respond. So I can give her stuff and go on to the next. And go from there. But yeah, I'll see y'all in a minute. I just want to come on here and check in, let y'all know I did 2 stops already, and I am going to continue on. I'm hungry. Continue on. She got rallies and it look good. Continue on. People are flying through this damn parking lot and it's pissing me off. Like, this parking lot is not small, but it's a lot of cars in here. Like, slow your roll. But anyways, I want some Taco Bell. And there's one down the street. But I need to go southbound. And Taco Bell is eastbound. Maybe I'll get Taco Bell on the way home. I don't know. But yeah, I'm about to just write all these ads because I gotta write out 9 envelopes. Put the address on 9 envelopes. Not even mine, so yeah, I'm gonna do that, see if she responds, drop this off, and I'll check in with y'all later. All right guys, I dropped off her package and now hold on, I'm on my way to the post office. I'm driving around in a fishbowl, so I'm sure everybody that's like next to me is like watching me record, but it's okay. I gotta get used to it, right? Eventually. Sorry for the shaky camera and all that crap. But anyway, I'm tired. I'm going the wrong way, y'all. I'm But yeah, on to my next destination. Hey, my nails down. Shouldn't join her in the damn nail salon or whatever. But anyway, yeah. Now we're gonna go drop this package off. And then I'm gonna sit in the car and write out these addresses and drop the letters off too. And that's it. So yeah, see y'all in a minute. Alright guys, I went to the post office, dropped everything off. Gotta send her her tracking number. I got some Scooby-Doo stamps. And I stopped by El Pollo Loco because I wanted a salad. Their double chicken avocado salad is so good. So good. I think that's it for the day. I couldn't get those letters out, but I'm gonna just get them prepped for when it's ready to go out. Probably do it Monday after my appointment. I got an appointment on Monday, so I'll probably do it then. Cause I didn't know that post office closed at 1. I thought they closed at like 2 or 3, like any other post office, but I guess not. But that is my favorite one, so it's whatever. But I'm just gonna go home and take a nap probably. I am exhausted. I'm not exhausted physically, but my eyes are really, really heavy and stuff. So yeah, it was Ratchet in the post office. Like, the guy was over there. They was closing, so they closed their little slide door. And the guy walked in. The lady that was helping me was like, "We're closed." He was like, "Lock the goddamn door. Don't say it with no goddamn attitudes." They was going at it, and then the younger lady was like, "Just come in, I'll help you." And then he came in and was like, "You only get this service in South Central." I was like, "Oh my god, not today." And yeah, but when he came back in, he kind of slammed the door, and she was like, "I said I'm gonna help you, but don't be slamming our door." Like, which is, what are you slamming doors for? Because if you break it, you gotta pay for it, no matter how angry you are. He was like, "Oh, I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to." So, what lane are you in? Yeah, the Ratchet activities that go on out here. I tried calling Bay. We was on the phone. And he hung up. And I tried to call him back, but he ain't answering, so. Since I'm going home, I finished faster than I thought I would. I'm pretty sure there's more I gotta do. All these potholes though, jeez Louise. But I just can't think of it. So when I get home, I'ma eat. Oh my god, sorry y'all. I'ma eat, and then I'ma just take pictures of those lash applicators and put them up on the Miss Renee's Vault page. Y'all like my outfit and stuff. I'm repping my brand. I know y'all saw this before. If y'all follow me on Instagram, saw it on my Insta story. I just decided to throw this on because I didn't even know I had this. through my little accessories bag with my scarves and hats and beanies and stuff, and I seen this and I was like, ooh, I'm gonna wear it. And so I put it on my head to wear it. Yeah, okay. Stupid ass. I like it. It's cute. I should have put my bun at the top though. But I didn't think about it until after I did my hair. I thought about it before I got in the shower. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna put my hair in the top knot. And then when I got out, I ended up putting it low because I put my little middle part. See? I put the little middle part, my little curls on the side. But yeah, I hate when people do that. Like, how you don't know what lane you want to be in? I hate people. Ugh. But yeah, I'm almost home. Don't you dare. I will whack your shit. And yeah, y'all, I just sent off one of my first orders. I got another order. I gotta make it. It's a sweatsuit too. So I gotta make that one. And yeah, just go from there, you know. Home alone. I gotta open the gate again. This guy's always rolling somewhere. I swear to God, if he try to come through, I'll fucking roll his ass over. See my car right here. Ain't no room for you to go. People be thinking they hate this. That was random, but they called me and hung up again, so I don't know what was going on. Whatever. If he want to talk, he'll call me back. But alright, y'all, I'm home. I'm about to go up here and take pictures of these applicators so I can put those up. And then that's it. I'm gonna eat too because I'm starving. So I'll see y'all either later or in the next video. I think this one's gonna be pretty long, so probably in the next video. Bye.